Eurystheus ordered Hercules to capture the Nemean lion as his first task. This lion was a very special creature. It possessed thick hide that neither sword nor arrow could pierce. Eurystheus smiled slyly, thinking Hercules would be killed by the lion. Hercules, completely unaware of the danger, headed toward the cave to hunt the lion. Seeing the lion right outside the entrance, he felt a little uneasy. He shot an arrow from a distance. Oh no! The arrow bounced right off. Poor Hercules was truly flustered. He tried again, but the arrow still wouldn't penetrate.
What kind of lion is this? My weapons don't seem to work. What should I do now?
After a moment's thought, Hercules decided to subdue the lion by force. He strapped a club to his waist, used a boulder to block one of the cave's 2 entrances, cutting off the lion's escape route, then entered through the other entrance. The moment he stepped into the cave, he faced the lion's imposing form. Hercules and the lion stared at each other for what felt like an eternity. Then, in the blink of an eye, he sprang up, struck the lion several times with his club, and began to strangle it with his bare hands. Hercules hung on to the lion's back for a very long time, choking its neck, and only then managed to subdue it. The next morning, Hercules went to meet King Eurystheus with the lion slung over his shoulder. King Eurystheus was utterly terrified when Hercules, whom he had expected to be killed by the lion, returned unharmed. Hiding in a jar buried in the palace courtyard, the king spoke in a trembling voice.
Hercules, from now on, do not enter the palace. Report to me outside.
After leaving the palace, Hercules skinned the lion with its own claws and wore the hide like armor. The lion's skin served as a shield, blocking swords and arrows, and its toughness made it suitable for armor.
Later, Zeus created a constellation to commemorate Hercules' feat of capturing the lion. That constellation is Leo.